Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about Victoria's Wigs. This is a company I've worked with in the past, and when I first worked with them I was super impressed at how thin their lace is, how transparent it is, and their wigs are HD lace. You can see how absolutely gorgeous it is. It comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached. If you like the unit I'm rocking right now, I do have a review. You can click the link above or in the information box down below. So to lay this unit down, I did use my Got2b glue in the yellow bottle. I could not find my hairspray for anything, you guys, so I skipped the step with the hairspray and I went ahead and just blue dried the Got2b glue. I would say do not skip the hairspray step. It makes it 10 times harder to try to lay your lace down and to secure your wig without the hairspray. The hairspray is definitely a critical aspect of it, you guys, and it just makes your life a lot simpler and a lot easier. I don't know where my hairspray went. I'm in the process of moving, and yeah, I just have to find it or just buy another one, because it really is important when you're laying down your wig to have the hairspray, because it just helps the glue to dry faster and it makes it much more stickier and much tackier. So this is what I got using just the Got2b glued. I used my baby hair scarf to tie it down, and I left it tied down for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, I did not glue down the sideburns or like all the way down to the ear tab. I didn't want to do that because I knew I was wearing this in the middle part and it wouldn't be necessary. So I didn't glue down the sides. I didn't glue down the ear tabs. I only glued down the sides and the front of the wig. I pulled out a few hairs from the hairline to go ahead and give me some baby hairs, trimmed those with a scissor, and then went ahead and laid them down. Now the baby hair edge control that I use is my Style Factor, and it is in the strawberry scent. I'm going to show you guys how I laid down my baby hairs. Nothing spectacular here. It's just the same way I always do it. Nothing new. So I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about this lace. As you can see, it is so super thin. That's the reason why I really love Victoria's lace wigs. You do not have to pluck anything. You do not have to bleach anything. You do not have to do anything crazy to make your wig look really natural. The HD lace that they use is really has broken the mold. I really love it. The wig is super easy to work with and definitely beginner friendly. You know, the knots are very thin and the lace is very thin, so it just looks really good. And their units are really full. That's another thing I love. This unit is so full. Like, I absolutely love. Look at that hairline, y'all. Bomb. I didn't put any powder. I didn't put anything on it. I just laid it down with the edge control and the Got2b glued, and that's it, you guys. No powder needed. Obviously you go in with your flat irons. I went ahead and went in with my beveling iron first, and then I went over with my flat irons. So yeah, if you guys have questions about this unit or there's something I didn't cover, definitely leave your questions in the information box down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I'll also leave all the information about purchasing this wig and checking out Victoria's Wigs on their website. I'll leave all that information in the info box as well. If you have any other questions that I didn't answer, just leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back to you. Make sure you finish watching this video to the end. We are almost at 40,000 subscribers, so please subscribe. It is free and it super helps me out, you guys. Make sure you're liking these videos, giving me a big thumbs up, and sharing with your friends. Alright you guys, so this is the end result. I really love how this unit turns out. The unit is 18 inches, and I really love it. I didn't have to cut it or trim it. It just came this way and it looks great. I love how full it is, how thick it is. I would definitely recommend Victoria's wigs, you guys. This is my second time working with them, and I hope to continue working with them because their product is amazing and it looks great. So make sure you check them out. Peace.